Tech Buyers Guru here at the SilverStone booth at CES 2018. We have a number of new SilverStone cases that are being released this week. These are going to be out at retail. We have the RL07 and the PM02. They're based on the same internal chassis, just differ aesthetically and in terms of the fans they come with. The RL07 comes in at $110 with a single 140 millimeter exhaust fan. The PM02 comes in at $140, with obviously a different aesthetic look on the exterior, and 4 140 millimeter fans. That's a lot of added value in those fans. You also have an open grill up top, which allows you to potentially mount a liquid cooler, although the spacing is pretty tight inside. SilverStone has done something interesting with the logo, and rather than have it silk screened on the chassis, you actually have it as an LED down-firing logo. You can shut that off just by pulling the power on it if you don't want that shining on your desk or your floor, but it is pretty interesting. These use standard metal side panels. That glossy white looks really nice, by the way. SilverStone's always done a really good job with its glossy cases. The black is matte. Both of the black cases here are matte, but both of the white ones are glossy. What we've got here is SilverStone's prototype LD01 and LD02. These are follow-ups to the very, very popular TJ08 series of cases. They have a completely new internal layout based on modern PCs. A lot fewer hard drive bays, a lot more space for your GPUs, for big CPU coolers, and even have space for liquid coolers up top. SilverStone's still deciding on the exact configuration, but probably what you're going to have on the LD01 is 3 glass panels. That's all around here. And on the LD02 you'll have glass in front and glass on the side, but a standard metal panel on the rear. Notice that slick white paint job in interior, and also the LD02 is actually the higher airflow version. It has an air channel on the side to let more airflow through, and actually has the venting here as well. Your LD01 is really the aesthetic model here. You can see the whole room reflected in the glass here in this video. This is going to be kind of not for your gaming systems because of the more restricted airflow, but very, very aesthetically pleasing. And these are going to be coming in potentially at maybe starting at $70 depending on the configuration in terms of including fans, and the LD01 will be somewhere above $100.